Hi guys, today I'm going to be planting up my random pots around the yard that will be full of annuals. I got all these from a couple different nurseries. We've got some Bermuda petunias, and then I've got this cute little set here that I'm going to do up front in my 3 little vegetable garden hanging baskets. If you've seen those from my last year's video, we're doing something a little bit different. I've also got some other pots that go around our hot tub, and then I've got a couple of pots that go in my garden area. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. Let's go ahead and start planting these up. I'm going to start back here by my hot tub. I've got this planter here. I'll show you the mixes that I decided to pick for that one, and then I'm also going to do this one that's down here by the hot tub. For this one over here, it's in the shade most of the day. So I've got a heuchera that is a perennial that I'm just going to keep here. This will get super big and just kind of hang around here, and I just thought that would be perfect here for this spot. These are a really beautiful plant. And then I've got some begonias here. They like sun or shade. These ones here do. So I'm going to put probably 3 back here in this corner. And then I've got this 5th Avenue colius. They like cooler areas too that are mostly shade. I just thought that's super beautiful, and all those colors look really nice together. I've got a couple of these purple wave petunias, and I also like that combination there. And then I've got Rose Madness petunia that I'll probably just stick 1 or 2 of these in this pot here so they can just hang out. Probably put the purple in the middle there, and maybe a pink over here. Kind of even out the colors. I've got to get all these planted up. They're all probably getting pretty root bound. I just have so many projects I'm trying to get to all of them. This one I'm going to put in the corner here. After I get all these planted, I'll go through and water them all in. I think it looks really pretty over there. It'll look really nice when it just gets full and starts like spilling over the pot. Next one, we're going to go ahead and tackle this one. I have 1 begonia left from over there. I'm just going to pop this right up front. This pot gets a little bit more sun than the other one, but it's still in the shade a lot of the day. I guess I'll go through and tell you what everything is. So this one is the Supertuna Bermuda Beach, this pink here. And on this one we've got the lilac blue Superbena. Both of these are going to get huge. Let's see, the verbena gets up to 12 inches high and 14 inches wide, I believe. And that's a bit root bound, so I'm just going to pull those off. And then we've got another one of the colius, 5th Avenue. And we'll put that back here. This is the spot that's mostly in the shade. There we go. I think that's going to be a really beautiful combination there. It's all full and pretty. So next, let's go on over here. I want to do this big pot here. I overwintered a dahlia called XL Meridia. It's got smaller flowers. It gets really bushy, like it got almost all the way out to here and about that tall last year. So I figured I'd reuse that one in there because I really liked it, and then I will put some other plants around it to hang over the pot. This here is the XXL Meridia, this though I was just talking about that I put in the middle. And then I overwintered a white dwarf dahlia that I'm just going to put in the front here for that to just kind of hang and look pretty next to these pink flowers. At the different end to you, the blue. And to you, the new. At the different end to you, the blue. And to you. Decided I'm going to add this lilac blue Supertuna. I think that'll look really pretty with those pink flowers. And then I'm also going to add a potato vine. So we'll just have these 4 plants in this pot here. I just decided I'm also going to plant this area back here. I'm going to do about 5 Bermuda Beach Supertunias. I'm going to do 1 in the corner here, 1 over here, 2 here, and 1 over here. And then, yeah, I think those will fill out really nicely. They'll get about 2 feet high, 2 to 4 feet wide, and I think that'll just make that area pop with some color. Standing back here looking at the full picture here, and I think I'm going to add one right up front right here, and then back here where this dead tree is, I'll just put one in front of there. I think I'm going to put one of my extra labyrinth dahlias back there where that tree is too. And to you. Okay, so we planted up the 2 pots that are next to the hot tub and then the 1 pot that is back in my garden area. I think that's all I'm going to do for today. Stay tuned for the next video and we'll get the rest of my pots planted up. Thanks you guys so much for watching my video. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.